Hello friends, welcome to Leftover Busters. Just finished that Misfit produce haul, so feel free to check that out. Clearing up a little bit of room in the fridge. Here are a cast of characters. I have this much, yay, cucumber left over from my salad for lunch this morning. Half of an avocado that might be going bad pretty soon. Some tofu that is marinated. It's tofu bacon, honestly. I made tofu bacon because I've been a little bit obsessed with BLTs for the past week, but this has been in here for a little bit, so I'm afraid it's gonna go bad. And we always have carrots. So with that cast, I have some sticky rice cooling on the stove with a little bit of a like brothy kelp soup type thing that I'm just gonna put some miso in. And we're having this teeny tiny little sushi roll type deal tonight. Also, it's almost 8 o'clock and a significant other is still in work-related meetings. So if anybody asks why I'm the primary cook in this house, it's because of that. So we are going to be good, thoughtful friends and take him something to eat because I'm pretty sure he's been in meetings since 7. Oh geez, he's been in meetings for 13 hours straight almost and only got lunch because I made it for him. So we are making sure the people that we care about are being taken care of. So I have my veggies prepped here. My tofu is right here, slightly off screen. Here is a little nori sheet. I'm not an expert at this. I want to say straight up, I read a book and I'm more or less self-taught, so this is not the appropriate way to roll sushi, and my rice isn't even seasoned. I usually season it with a little bit of rice wine vinegar and sesame oil, but kiddo wants to take some for LUNCH. I cannot say the L word because of the dogs, so I'm going to leave it unseasoned so he can go, kiddo can go ahead and do that. Okay, this is just vegetable broth that we boiled some kelp in, so that's this stuff floating around, and you basically got to take that out, and I'm gonna put some miso paste in it because you can't boil miso paste. Because it'll get gross if you boil miso paste. Don't do that. I don't know what you're talking about. This doesn't look ridiculous at all. Definitely not ridiculous in the viewfinder. Hello, hi again. This is the spread. I feel like it's probably going to be good. I'm also going to bring him some soy sauce with some ginger as well. I am the terrible person that puts wasabi in my soy sauce because I like spicy, but that's just me and I'm not going to force that on him.
Wasabi.
Wasabi. I feel like this is a relatively normal sized dinner. I don't feel like he had a lot for LUNCH, so maybe maybe this will be satisfactory, maybe not, because this is for both of us. One man is not going to eat all of this. But thank you so much for watching. If you think that this is the preferred format that you would like to see me, feel free to list that along with any questions, comments, or concerns down below. New videos are supposed to come out on Mondays, sometimes Thursdays. That hasn't really been the case, so if I were you, I would like this video, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you know when I actually do post. Like always, stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye!